Hey Tech Campers, here we are with our third screencast, and this one we're going to focus on email. And you have a service called Gaggle.net that each one of you has an email account through. One thing to note about this one, it is teacher monitored, so if you are familiar with emailing, please use it responsibly. And if you, as your first time using email, just know that I'll be there to be able to guide you through each step of the way. So let's get going with how to get to the email. I open up my browser, whether it's Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, and I go up here and I just start typing MrProwell.com, but notice I just typed M and R and all of a sudden MrProwell.com pops up. That's because most times internet sites will remember where you have gone. So I go over here and go to MrProwell.com, open this up, and down on the side I go to home page, click on that, and here we are. Down here, notice still on the left hand side, that's where most of your links will be. It says student email. Here we go. It says email is a great tool to use in today's world to reach out to others to talk with. It is also a needed tool if you would like to use many of the tools on the internet. Notice I'm using tools a lot. A lot of them will ask you for an email account to sign up to use that specific tool. So to access your email, you can click on this link here, Gaggle.net. Now, one thing I want to point out, it says your username is the first three letters of your first name combined with the full last name ending with 2012. So example, my name is Zach Prowell. So my username is ZAC, first three letters, my full last name, Prowell, and then I put in 2012. This is going to be everybody's username or that style. So use that same combination of letters. Now I'm not going to share the passwords, but you need to see me in class. I'll know that you've watched this screencast. I know that you'll be ready when you come to me and say, Mr. Prowell, what's my password? And I'll show you what your password is, and then you can log in when you go to Gaggle.net. Now, once you click on that link, over here you'll see customer login. So remember what I said before, you put in your first three letters, this computer remembers me, and then you're going to end it with 2012, and mine is just a little bit different because I am a teacher, and so is my password. But notice my password does not show up because I don't want people to know what it is, and I'm stressing the same thing to you. Do not share your passwords. Mom and dad's okay. If you need to talk to a teacher, that's okay. But please do not share your passwords with your friends. You don't want a friend to log into your account pretending to be you, and that just can lead to things that you might not want to experience. So once you click login, you'll see that you have kind of like this toolbox of different things that you can get into. Your home page shows all these different tools, and we'll talk more specifically about these tools another day, but I want you to notice inbox. Here is where you're going to see emails, and you should get an email from me with the first project that we'll do on the first day. So click on that email, read it, and you should be good to go. Please ask me if you have any questions, and just remember your username is your first three letters. Let me go back to here. Okay, first three letters combined with your last name ending with 2012, and here's the example of if Mr. Prowell were to use that same combination for username. And lastly, never share your passwords. Please don't. All right, have a good one.